Your self-esteem in life is a function of the conversation you're constantly having with yourself inside your head. Whatever you're telling yourself, whatever you are talking to yourself, whatever you're saying to yourself, that is dictating your self-esteem. It is almost the most important conversation you're having any given day, any given week, any given month, any given year. And the insidious thing, or the good thing, depending on how you use it, is that this self-conversation is happening within your head on autopilot. It's a mental loop that's running itself without you even being aware of it, without you becoming aware of it. And in order to grow your self-esteem, in order to change your self-esteem, you have to replace the current conversation you're having. You have to replace the current mental loop, the current thinking that is constantly playing in your head, that's constantly running in your head, with more empowering, more powerful mental loops. So here is a really simple exercise for you in order to change your mental loops. Actually, there are two exercises. One is affirmations. Write down specific affirmations about yourself, the things that you want to improve about yourself, and then repeat these affirmations to yourself over and over and over again. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more you're going to cut down on the old mental loops. You will stop those old mental loops that are running, and you will install new mental loops. And the other one is to write down your big goals and repeat these goals to yourself over and over and over again. And another way to do that is to write your goals 100 times a day. And the more often you write your goals, there's something very profound about writing something, even more profound than actually reading it or just saying it in your mind. When you write it, it actually hacks your brain's mental loops in some ways. So when you write your goal again and again and again, it will change. It will automatically change the mental loop. It will automatically change what you're thinking. It will automatically change the loop you're running in your head constantly, again and again and again. So writing probably is the most powerful way to change what you are, like what you're saying to yourself. Writing your goals again and again is probably one of the most powerful ways to hack your mind and change the conversation that's going on in your mind. So a really powerful exercise there. Write your goals and repeat your goals to yourself. Repeat your affirmations to yourself over and over and over again, and that will help you grow your self-esteem.